Alright, let's start with the first question. Under which article of the WHO Constitution was the world's first global pandemic agreement adopted? Option number C is the correct answer, Article 19. Question number 2. In which year was the original Consumer Protection Act enacted in India? Option number D, 1986. Question number 3. Under which act was service tax on broadcasting services introduced? Option number D, Finance Act 1994. Question number 4. In which year was the mandatory registration of WACs first introduced? Option number C, 1923. Question number 5. In which year was the Civil Defence Act enacted in India? Option number B, 1968. Question number 6. In which year was the Registration of Births and Deaths RBD Act enacted in India? Option number A, 1969. Question number 7. Which constitutional article did the Supreme Court cite as being violated due to the governor's inaction on repassed bills? Option number A, Article 200. Question number 8. In which year was the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act enacted? Option number A, 2007. Question number 9. In which year was the original WACF Act, later amended by the WACF Amendment Bill 2024, enacted? Option number D, 1995. Question number 10. In which year was the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) enacted by the Indian Parliament? Option number D, 1958. Question number 11. In which year was the original Disaster Management Act, which is now being amended by the Disaster Management Amendment Bill, passed? Option number A is the correct answer, 2005. Question number 12. What year was the Immigration and Nationality Act passed? Option number B, 1952. Question number 13. In which year was the Lokpal Act enacted? Option number C, 2014. 14. In which year was the Right to Education RTE Act enacted? Option number C, 2009. 15. In which year was the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act enacted? Option number D, 2013. 16. Which section of the Citizenship Act was upheld by the Supreme Court in a 4:1 decision as part of the Assam Accord of 1985? Option number D, Section 6A. 17. In what year was the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) passed in India? Option number A, 2002. 18. In which year was the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act enacted in India? Option number B is the correct answer, 2005. Question number 19. Which state enacted the Property Damage Recovery Act? Option number B, Uttarakhand. Question number 20. In which year was the Food Corporation of India (FCI) established under the Food Corp Act? Option number B is the correct answer, 1964. Question number 21. In which year was the Income Tax Act, which has been in force since April 1962, introduced in India? Option number B, 1961. Question number 22. In which year was the original Boilers Act, now being replaced by the Boilers Bill 2024, enacted? Option number A, 1923. Question number 23. In which year was the project Tiger launched in India to promote tiger conservation? Option number B is the correct answer, 1973. Question number 24. In which year did India enact the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act? Option number C is the correct answer, 1999. Question number 25. The Post Office Act of 2023 replaced which act? Option number A, 1898. 26. In which year was the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA enacted? Option number C, 1967. Question number 27. In which year was the Special Marriage Act enacted? Option number A, 1954. 28. In which year was the Wildlife Protection Act established in India? Option number A, 1972. 29. In which year was the Explosives Act proposed to be replaced with the new Explosive Bill 2024? Option number D, 1884. 30. When was the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act enacted in India? Option number C, 2007. 31. When was the Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation Street of Vending Act enacted? Option number A, 2014. 32. In which state have the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 been extended by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs? Option number B, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 33. When did the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and its associated rules come into force in India? Option number D, 2005. Question number 34. According to the Surrogacy Regulation Act 2021, what age range is permitted for women to undergo surrogacy? Option number D, age 23 to 50. Question number 35. What legislative act has been replaced by the recently approved Post Office Bill 2023 in India? Option number A is the correct answer, India Post Office Act 1898. 36. What role does the Child Welfare Committee play in matters concerning children under the Juvenile Justice Act 2015? Option number B, handling adoption proceedings.